Hi, Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. Today let's see how we can easily prepare roasted chicken at home. With this recipe you get a very crispy coating outside and the chicken will be very juicy inside. So let's quickly go to this recipe. So here firstly I have taken around 1 kilo of chicken which is cleaned. After cleaning I have added around 2 teaspoons of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of salt and soaked this chicken for at least half an hour. Instead of vinegar you can also use 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Now drain this chicken. Here I have used chicken without skin. It's up to you. If you want you can add with skin. Next try cutting the chicken to a medium size. Don't make it too small. So here are the simple ingredients for the first marination of the chicken. For that I have taken half an onion, then few cloves of garlic and 1 small piece of ginger. Next we need some salt to taste, then around 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, then 3/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, then 3/4 to 1 cup of full fat milk. First we need to add the ginger, garlic and the onion into a blender and then grind this into a fine paste. Now this is not grinded well, so I am adding 1 portion from the milk and blending again. After adding the onion, ginger and garlic paste, add the remaining milk. Next add the salt, pepper and red chili powder and mix this well. After mixing you can check for the taste and then add salt accordingly before adding the chicken. Then add the chicken. Now soak this chicken well in this milk mixture. Now this chicken has to be marinated at least for 4 to 5 hours. It's better if you could keep overnight. This will help the chicken to become soft and very juicy. Always try to rest the marinated meat in fridge. After the chicken is well marinated, moving to the final coating. For that into a bowl add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Next add 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Next we need 1/3 cup of corn flakes. So slightly crush with your fingers and then add to the flour. Next season the flour with some salt and pepper. As I have mentioned earlier, this is a simple recipe. I am not adding any other flavoring. But if you wish you can add some chili powder or ginger or garlic powder to make it different. Next I am going to transfer this flour into this bag. By this you can work with the flour easily. Now I have removed the marinated chicken from the fridge. Now from this remove each pieces, discarding the milk and then transfer this into a separate bowl. Now this remaining milk will be used for double coating. Now drop each chicken pieces into the flour mixture and coat the flour very well onto the chicken. As I have used this type of bag, it's easy for me to rub the flour very well onto the chicken. Now you can just remove the excess flour and then dip this back to the milk mixture and then again to the flour and give a double coating. Now this piece of chicken is double coated. Now you can repeat the same with the remaining pieces. Now the chicken pieces are ready to be deep fried in hot oil. After dropping the chicken, make sure that you keep it undisturbed for the first 2 to 3 minutes. So now the simple roasted chicken is ready. It's super hot, it's very crispy outside and at the same time very juicy inside. To serve along with this, I have prepared a homemade coleslaw, a garlic sauce and homemade wheat buns. You can check out the link for this in the description box. This has turned to be my family's favorite homemade roasted chicken. So do give this a try and your family will really enjoy. So thanks for watching today's video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.